Are you tired of being blocked from Salesforce because your IP isn't trusted? Learn how to add a trusted IP in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to add your IP address to Salesforce's trusted list. Let's get started. Start by clicking on the Quick Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then, from the menu that appears, go ahead and click on Open Advanced Setup. In the Quick Find box, type in Network to filter the setup options. Now, click on Network Access from the search results to open that page. Click the New button to add a new trusted IP range. In the Start IP Address field, type in the starting IP of your range. Then, in the End IP Address field, type in the ending IP address. Finally, click Save to apply the change. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.